Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix unable to verify app and internet connection is required to verify trust of the developer. So guys, if you're also facing this problem and you are unable to install the app, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and now drag down your control center and make sure that your internet connection is working properly. So guys, check your internet connection and after this open settings in your device and from here scroll it below, tap on general, tap on software update and make sure that you are using the updated version of software in your device. So guys, do this and after this go back and now tap on screen time and from here scroll it below and tap on content and privacy restrictions, tap on iTunes and App Store purchases, enter your screen time passcode and now tap on installing apps and from here simply allow installing apps in your iPhone. So guys, do this and after this check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there then open your general section again and now scroll it below and from here you have to tap on language and region and tap on region and select your country or region correctly or select the country where the app is available. So guys, do this and after this go back and now tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset your network settings of your device for one time as well. So guys, do this and hopefully after this your problem will be fixed and you will be able to install the app very easily. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you still face a problem, then you have to simply contact Apple support team for further information and help. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.